This UGC ad looks completely real, and it's fully AI generated. After spending the last 3 months testing literally every AI UGC tool on the market, I found an entirely new way to create hundreds of ad variations without waiting on a single creator. Because while you're waiting weeks for one piece of content, other brands are testing 100 variations and finding winners you'll never catch up to. So in this video, you're getting the complete new workflow to make AI UGC ads in 2026 that actually look realistic. So the platform we're using today is called ArcAds, and it's the most complete AI UGC solution I've personally used. What I like about it is that everything lives in one place. You can create the avatar, write the script, generate the video, and test different versions without using multiple tools. It saves a lot of time and makes the whole process easier to manage. If you want to follow along, I'll leave a link in the description below. I suggest you do because it'll help you master this way faster. When you first log in and click New Project in the top left corner, you'll see this main workspace pop up. This is your prompting window. At the top, there are 3 main tabs: Talking Actors, Videos, Image, and See More. Talking Actors is where you create realistic AI people who can say whatever you want. Videos is where you build full ad videos from scratch using top AI models. Image is the same, just with images, and See More is where all the extra tools live. Now, instead of just showing you separate features, I'm going to walk you through creating one complete UGC ad from start to finish. We're making an ad for a vitamin C serum, and you'll see how every single tool inside ArcAds works together to build something that looks like it costs thousands to produce. The first thing we need is our influencer. This is the person who's going to be the face of our ad. Click on See More, then scroll down until you find UGC Studio. This is one of the most powerful features inside ArcAds because it allows you to have complete character consistency across every video you make. Click on it. You'll see this clean interface with a prompt box. This is where you describe the exact person you want to create. Since we're promoting a skincare product aimed at women in their mid-20s, I want someone who matches that demographic. So here's what I'll write. A 25-year-old woman with glowing skin, long brown hair, wearing a casual white tank top, natural makeup, warm smile, standing in a bright modern apartment with soft daylight coming through the windows. Now, I like to increase the number of images to at least 3, so I have options to pick from. Then click Create. All 3 of these images look incredibly realistic. For this example, I'm going with this one because I love how approachable she looks. Now let me show you how we're going to get the actual product into her hands. This is where Nano Banana Pro comes in, and it's honestly one of the most useful tools for product integration. Click right here, and from the model dropdown, select Nano Banana Pro or head back to the workspace and find Nano Banana Pro. What makes it special is that you can take any photo and transform it with just a simple prompt while keeping all the details intact. I've got a product photo of our vitamin C serum here, and I also have one of our model's images from earlier. What I want to do is put the serum bottle in her hands. In Nano Banana Pro, I'll upload both images into the reference section. Then in the prompt box, I'll write, make her hold the vitamin C serum bottle in her right hand as if presenting it to the camera. Natural grip, product label visible. Click Generate. The serum is now perfectly placed in her hands. The lighting matches her skin tone. The shadows are correct, and it looks like this photo was shot professionally with the actual product. You can also use Nano Banana Pro to edit existing images you've already created. Let's say I want to test this same ad, but with a different background or outfit to see which converts better. I'll upload the image I just made, and in the prompt, I'll write, change the background to a clean white bathroom counter with skincare products, keep her and the serum bottle exactly the same. Click Generate. It's still the exact same person holding the exact same product, but now the setting feels more like a bathroom routine, which might resonate better with our audience. This is perfect when you want to test different aesthetics without starting from scratch. But we're not just stopping at images. The most eye-catching thing you can do with ads is video making. So let's turn this into a video. Click on the image you've just created, and in the bottom right corner, click on Video. This opens up the video workflow, and now you can choose which AI video model you want to use. For the most realistic results, I recommend either Veo 3.1 or Kling 3.0. Both of these are integrated directly into ArcAds, and they're currently the best models for turning images into natural-looking video clips. I'll select Veo 3.1. Now in the prompt section, I'll describe what I want to happen. The woman holding the vitamin C serum bottle, she looks at the camera with a warm smile, lifts the bottle slightly to show the label, natural movement, soft bathroom lighting, and then I am going to paste this voice description right here. You'll see exactly why I do this later in the video. I'll set the resolution to 1080p, then click Create.
I've been using this vitamin C serum for a few weeks now, and I'm loving the results. It gives my skin such a nice glow.
This came out perfect. She's naturally presenting the serum, the movement is smooth, and it looks like a real creator filmed this in their bathroom. But here's the thing, just one video isn't enough to make people buy our product. So what we're gonna do is create multiple variations of this same scene using different angles and actions. This gives us a full library of clips we can cut between to keep the ad dynamic and engaging. Let me show you exactly how to do this. I'll go back to Nano Banana Pro and use the same image we animated of our model, but this time I'm going to generate different scenarios. For the first variation, I'll prompt woman holding vitamin C serum bottle, closer to camera, slight lean forward, warm smile, bathroom mirror visible in background, natural lighting, and again click Generate. For the second one, I'll use the same image again and prompt woman applying vitamin C serum to her cheek with her fingertips. Close-up shot, natural bathroom lighting, product bottle visible on counter beside her. Click generate. For the third variation, I'll prompt woman sitting in front of bathroom sink with vitamin C serum bottle on the counter in front of her. She's looking at the product with a satisfied expression, clean aesthetic, morning routine vibe. Once all three variations are generated, I'll animate each one using the video workflow. I'll click on the first image, the close-up, hit video, select VO 3.1 and prompt woman holding serum bottle and leaning slightly toward camera with a friendly smile, subtle head tilt, engaging eye contact. And then I'm going to add a few lines that I want her to say about the product. And now I'll paste in the same voice description that we did for the original video, and that's what you should do as well for all of your videos.
Ever since I added this to my routine, my skin just feels smoother, brighter, and way more refreshed.
This way, your actor's voice will be roughly the same on each generation. Then I'll do the same for the second image, the application shot. Woman gently applying serum to her skin, smooth natural motion. She looks satisfied and glowing, soft focus on her face. And again, the voice description. And finally, the third image, the sink shot. Prompt, woman sitting at bathroom counter. She picks up the serum bottle, examines it with a smile, then looks at the camera, calm morning energy. Now I've got 4 total video clips. The original presentation shot, the intimate lean in, the application close up, and the one with the product at the sink counter. Each one has a different movement, a different vibe, and a different purpose in the ad. When you edit these together with your talking head footage and some text overlays, it creates a complete professional looking UGC ad that feels authentic and keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Now, what if I told you there's a way to create UGC clips in seconds? Maybe you want one more shot for your final ad, but you need it fast. And with ArcAds, you can do exactly that, using one of the most powerful AI models out there. The only thing is that we cannot use it in the ad we are currently making, because this will not include the same person as we just made with our different process. But if you just want to make usable ads with one prompt without having to deal with making multiple clips, this is a great way to do so. Head over to the video tab on your workspace, then click on the model selector and choose Sora 2 Pro. What makes Sora 2 Pro special is that it actually understands current trends and context. I can describe a specific vibe and it'll generate a video that matches without me having to explain every detail. I'll write a morning skincare routine video, young woman in a bright bathroom applying vitamin C serum to her face. She looks in the mirror and smiles, golden morning light through the window, authentic UGC style. I'll set the duration to 8 seconds, resolution to 1080p, and click generate.
Morning skincare, vitamin C time. Just a couple drops, press it in, and let the glow do its thing.
This came out looking exactly like a real creator filmed it. Now going back to our original ad, we've created some separate clips, but they're all just sitting there as individual pieces. So how do we actually turn all of this into one finished ad? After you generate any video, click on the asset or the 3 dots in the top corner. From there, you'll see a list of one-click actions. You can do things like extend your content, take a snapshot, add captions, remove the background, translate to a different language, or even change the voice. And because everything was created in ArcAds using the same character, it all looks consistent. But the feature we're going to use here is upscale. Upscaling lets you increase the resolution and overall quality of your media so it looks a lot sharper. Once you've upscaled your final images and videos, go ahead and download all of your assets. Then bring everything into CapCut or any other editing software, arrange your clips in order, and do any other changes. And just like that, you've turned your generated content into a polished, production-ready ad.
I've been using this vitamin C serum for a few weeks now, and I'm loving the results. It gives my skin such a nice glow. This is my favorite part. It glides on so smoothly and gives me that instant glow. Ever since I added this to my routine, my skin just feels smoother, brighter, and way more refreshed.
The reason ArcAds might feel complicated at first isn't because it's hard to use. It's because it contains everything you'll ever need to make UGC ads. You can do all of this without hiring creators, shipping products, or waiting for revisions while testing more variations and finding winning ads faster than the old way. If you want to start creating your own AI UGC ads right now, click the link in the description to try ArcAds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.